Today's learning target is I can find the difference between two numbers. All right, the word difference here usually means subtract. So I would subtract the two numbers. Today, we're going to use the number grid to find the difference. Let's look at the next slide. Find the difference between each pair of numbers. I'm finding the difference between 71 and 91. 71 and 91. So I'm going to find 71 and here's 91. If you know the pattern that goes with the hundreds chart is these go up by ones. When I move to the right, I go up by ones. When I move backwards, I'm going down by ones. When I start at a number and I move down boxes, I'm moving up by tens. So if I find this number and I have to jump to this number, I know I'm moving down. Here's 10 and 20. So here, you never count the space you're on. This is 10, this is 20. The difference between 71 and 92 is 20. Now, I need to find the difference between 26 and 46. Some of you might know already. If you can do that in your head, that's great. Otherwise, check here. I find 26. I find 46. I count 10, 20. The difference between 26 and 46 is 20. Right. Now, I am going to find the difference between 30 and 62. Here's 30. Here's the number 62. Watch closely when I jump down. 10, 20, 30. I can then go 30, 31, 32. That's one way to get the answer. Watch the other way that I could have done. I'm going to get the same answer. 10, 20, 30, 40. Now I'm going backwards. 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32. I ended up with the same number. I knew the pattern of the number chart. All right, let's go to 48 and 84. So I'm going to find 48 and I'm going to find 84. I'm going to count by tens first. 10, 20, 30, 40. I'm moving backwards, so this would be 39, 38, 37, 36. That is how to find the difference in numbers. Okay? You use the patterns. One thing that I wanted to tell you is if I was going to find the difference of 43 and 60, and I know 43 is here and 60 is here, I am taking a shortcut by counting by tens and then by ones. I really could count by ones all the way. It would just take me a long time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. That took me a long time. Whereas if I know the pattern of the number chart, I can just go 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. If you know the pattern, it makes your life easier. All right, let's look at journal page 13 that goes with finding difference. Use the number grid to help you solve the problems. The first question says, which is less, 83 or 73? 73 is less. How much less is the difference? So I find 73 and 83. Oh, it's one jump. I know then the difference is 10. Be careful here. This one says, which is less? But then you get to number 3 and 4 and it says, which is more? When they ask how much more, you're still finding the difference between the two sets of numbers. When you get down to the bottom here, you're going to find the difference between each of these pairs of numbers that are on the number grid. Exactly what we were doing at the beginning of the video. If you have questions, email your teacher to ask.